Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a DOOGEE X97 Pro and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. So first of all we have to open our contact list, find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. Then let's tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner and pick this camera icon in the middle. And as you can see, we've got two different options from which we can choose. So we can either take a photo and then your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her, or you can choose a photo from the gallery. And I will pick this option, so let me tap on it. Here we have to find the photo we would like to use and tap on it obviously. Okay, tap on got it. And here from this tab we can change the position of the photo, we can zoom it in or out, we can also change the size of the highlighted square, but basically it works kind of the same like zooming the photo. And thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this highlighted area is responsible for it. So position it just like you want to. You can rotate the picture also. It's up to you how you want to set it. And if you're happy with your choice, just tap on Save Copy. As you can see, the photo will be applied to the circle. However, be aware that if you will not tap on Save, it will simply not appear. So just tap on Save in the right upper corner. And here we've got our contact. This is how it looks like. You will be able to see this photo on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from that number. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to add the photo to a contact in your DOOGEE X97 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.